So hi guys, welcome back to Telechakar's yet another fun chat session. Well, आज हमारी जो खास मेहमान है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है and personally I have been following all her fitness journey. She is stunning and she has a great physique to die for. And उनकी just recently OTT platform Z5 पे एक मूवी रिलीज हुई वर्जिन भास्कर करके and the movie is really good. So let's see उर्वशी रौतेला हमारे साथ क्या कुछ शेयर करती हैं about her journey, about the movie and whatnot. So let's not waste time.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. You're looking so pretty.
Thank you so much. And you already are looking so pretty. How are you though? How is the lockdown treating you?
It was fabulous, and lockdown has been, as usual, very, very busy. Thanks to all you people, promoting the film Virgin Bhanupriya, as it's like finally, it's out and everyone can watch it. It is streaming on Z5, so more than 200 plus countries can watch it, and Z5 is in Africa, US, Canada, UAE, Middle East, Asia Pacific. So I'm really happy because not only India but it is for global audiences, and it is a female-centric film. My second female-centric film after Hate Story 4. So I'm really glad. Just doing virtual promotions.
तो ऐसा क्या नया है जो आपने लॉकडाउन में maybe सीखा है या करा है कुछ नया?
Obviously, spending quality time with my family, and then I did a lot of courses and online sessions related to my skills and my craft, filmmaking, acting with Natalie Portman and a lot of other Academy winners. And then I did on business and fashion with Anna Wintour. So yeah, a lot of things. Yeah.
I, as a person, have stalked your account for your fitness routine. So, वो कैसे maintain कर पा रहे हो जब आप family के साथ पूरा time spend कर रहे हो, उर्वशी?
No, every day. Today, for example, I did indoor marathon, 5,000 steps.
Wow.
So, we cannot go out. I'm developing my own workouts and just doing everything, and every day I'm keeping different kind of workout. Like today, I did indoor marathon workout, and then yesterday it was functional training. Day before yesterday it was upper body workout and lower body workout, and se pehle it was low impact workout and higher impact workout. And then you can do a lot of skipping, you can do weight training, so much to do. You can always do. I've been doing different kind of workouts throughout the comedy.
But अगर मैं आपकी मूवी की बात करूँ, so when you took the script, I'm sure तब पता नहीं था कि lockdown हो जाएगा and all that. But did you expect the kind of response that you're getting, and what has been the best message by some fans जिन्होंने देखा है और आपको message किया है about it?
You have no idea. I'm getting congratulatory messages and tweets and every single thing from Turkey, Istanbul, Afghanistan. It has such a big global reach, and I never ever expected that something like this is gonna happen. The film just got released. It's not कि इतने दिन हो गए हो, so I'm still, I'm just kind of getting response and amazing response. And apart from that, when I was offered the film, obviously it was supposed to be a theatrical release, but now it's on OTT, so it's my digital debut as well. As I said, yesterday also when I had an interview, that it is the first time that the female desire will take a center stage. We have never spoken. All the sensitive topics. We have had so many films like Vicky Donor, Ayushmann Khurrana's Vicky Donor, Shumangal Zara Sabdhan, or Dam Laka Ke Ayesha, or be it Padman. All of these films were about sensitive topics, but they were all through the men's perspective, like the Ayushmann Khurrana or Akshay Kumar sir. But here we're talking about virginity, and we're trying to tell that virginity should not be considered a taboo, because there's a lot of stigma which is attached to virginity, and a lot of adult virgins feel stigmatized, and they feel that it is less of a social blessing and more of a social curse. All we are trying to say is that virginity is circumstantial, and you should not fall into the peer pressure of society and all friends and whosoever is nearby you. And like in the film Bhanupriya, it is a story for Bhanupriya, where she is a conservative girl, she is innocent, and she is willing to lose her virginity on her own terms. But in the process, her best friend and mother also kind of force her कि नहीं भानु, ट्रेलर में आते हैं लाइन कि हमेशा भानु लड़का हीरोइक होना चाहिए, और जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है वो बोल रही है कि तू तो हमेशा वर्जिन की वर्जिन ही रहेगी. So there's a lot of a curse, I would say, a lot of bullying which happens. So all I want to say is that I think India is the land of contrast, and India is also known as land of Kama Sutra. And if we go to the temples, we see a lot of erotic sculptures in the temples, of naked body. Also in our holy books like Mahabharata, all the Maharajas and everyone was so vocal and so open about premaritals. I mean, for me, somewhere down the line, it happened because of the British colonization in India as well, where, people started to have double standard towards virginity. But, and also like in modern India, though it's called modern, but people are not modern when it comes to it. They do not have the open mindset when it comes to virginity. First and the most important thing is that the bride has to be a sought after virgin on a matrimonial card. And women is being measured in terms of her purity. If she's a virgin, only then she is pure. If she's, this is something which is kind of disturbing. It can't be, virginity can't be a sign of purity. And, the women in rural areas, they have to go through so many surgical procedures to tell their spouses, and especially, the family, that she is pure, and she's virgin. So many surgical procedures also happen, and it is kind of disturbing. And I really hope with the sex education, people kind of, especially youngsters, they develop an open mindset towards virginity. And through this film, we are breaking the stereotypes, and obviously in a very sophistication way. As you must have seen the film, the trailer especially, there's nothing vulgar about it. I think after the marriage, I would say loyalty is very important, compatibility and proper understanding. These should be the factors of a successful marriage, and not other factors of, judging what you said. I don't agree with it.
I completely agree to what you're saying. But has it happened that, आपकी movie बाहर आई, trailer बाहर आया, तो किसी ने आपको बोला हो कि ma'am, I really relate to what you have shown in the movie, like, or maybe I've faced such a thing, or maybe my so-and-so friend is facing such a thing? Has such an incident happened?
Yeah, exactly, and I'm still receiving so many messages, as I said, because it's a straightforward comedy, and it is a perfect weekend watch for the entire family. And a lot of girls, especially, they will relate with Bhanupriya's character, because it is fun-filled with lots of comedy, and she's and also especially the kind of relationship which she has with a best friend, and and they are trying to put out the guys, or whatsoever happened. There are 4 guys who come in the journey of Bhanupriya. And she's trying really hard to fall in love and to seek for true love. Yeah, that's the thing.
I am sure इस पूरे हिस्से जर्नी में काफी बारी ऐसे दिन रहे होंगे जब आपको लगा होगा कि यार बहुत मेहनत हो गई है, लेकिन उतना फ्रूट वापस नहीं मिल रहा है. So तब जब आप लो हो जाती थी, so आप अपने आप को completely revive कैसे करते थे? What was that one person? Who was that one person or motivation जो आप लेते थे?
See, I'll be very honest with you, because I won so many multiple international titles, and when I came, I didn't come here with a lot of expectations. I came here with 0 expectations, and I got even more than what I expected, honestly.
Okay.
The fact that I'm doing my second female-centric film, again, Virgin Bhanupriya, I would say, is a very powerful character, and it is great as an actor and as an artist. As an actress, especially, deep down inside, every single girl wants to be part of a female-centric film, because the entire responsibility is on my shoulders. Deliver it is, I feel, completely, and I'm the face of the film. So I take immense pride. Somewhere down the line, it made me a very responsible artist, because producers are kind of investing a lot of money. They put in so much money, and that kind of gives you an assurance of a bankable star, bankable artist. So I have become very responsible, I think, after this.
But then do you feel some jittery feeling when people come and tell you, or maybe some newly entered actors and actresses come and tell you, or maybe the Miss India contestant tell you, ma'am, we look up to your journey, ma'am, we look up to what you've done. Do you have those goosebumps?
it kind of, you know, assures you that you are spreading positivity through your work, and somewhere down the line, you know, they kind of they are loving whatever you're doing. And I've always been very you know, I don't call my fans, I call them my extended family, and I have a loyal fan base, and I just want to be as authentic as I can in terms of my films, or also in terms of my brand endorsement deals. I always make sure whatever I would love watching, or whatever I would love using personally or attaching my name with, it has to resonate with my audience as well. And I just want to be as relatable, you know, with them.
हर एक bucket list होती है. So do you also have a bucket list? And if yes, उस bucket list में से कोई भी दो ऐसे actors, male and female, and कोई दो directors के नाम बताइए जिनके साथ आप काम करना चाहते हैं in the journey.
See, actor would be Amitabh Bachchan, and all the Khans especially.
Yes.
Female you're talking about, I would say Kareena Kapoor. Directors, there's so many directors I have. Yeah, my favorite, Raju Hirani.
Wow.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
I was about to say, what are your thoughts about being a Sanjay Leela Bhansali bride or actor?
Yeah, it would be sad.
Thank you so much, Urvashi. It was a pleasure, and I hope lockdown खत्म हो और मुझे असलियत में बैठ के आपके साथ इंटरव्यू करने का मौका मिले.
Yes, I would love to do that. Yeah, let's do it.
Thank you so much, and good luck for the future projects, Urvashi. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So guys, that was Urvashi Taylor for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the chat session with her. And thank you so much for watching this chat session. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off. And until next time.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.